how to boot from the USB drive if you want to install Windows in ASUS notebook, how to change boot order, or if you want to boot from the USB. As you can see, I have here ASUS notebook TP203N. So first of all, you have to enter to the BIOS. So to enter the BIOS, I will press power button and keep pressing escape button. And here you will see the menu. Simply press down button, enter the setup, and here you will see I will give you two ways to change. The first way will be, as you can see on the right corner, you will see your USB drive and also boot manager. So just simply click and drag it to the up. Okay, after that press F10. It will save automatically and exit. Now if it doesn't work, you have to go to the advanced here on the right down corner, and in the advanced you will see boot, and here you have to change. So if you want to change, just simply click on that and select your drive, and then hit save and exit. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mobo.